Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Now let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So as you can see, our suggestion yesterday was correct because it definitely was really bearish signs, guys, in the gold market recently, and its reaction on the major support around 12.15. It's really also was not normal. It was a bit irrational, and we were waiting for the latest moment where market still could show the reaction. So some really we have applied really soft conditions for that, and was watching for the deep target of the bottom line. We still talk about, well, maybe it's reversal around 11.95. But when we saw yesterday that market has dropped below 11.95, it was clear that this butterfly will fail. And usually the butterflies have such feature that if it fails, it usually fails miserably, and it means that market, when the butterfly doesn't work, it means that market could accelerate and show very significant action in a continuation of the pattern, in continuation of the previous direction. So where that butterfly should finalize, and if it doesn't do that, it means that it could be some accelerations, miserable failure of the butterfly, and that's what we see right now. So market has dropped not even to the 11.80, where the major Euro pivot support one stands, but even to the 11.55 approximate. So it was really significant drop. But still, that was mostly the same 11.80 Euro pivot point, because, guys, Euro pivot is rather thick level. So it's not just the precise number, it's some kind of the range of the market. And currently the market is bouncing to the 11.76. So right now we still could say that we're still around Euro pivot point, and we're still will be watching what will happen around this area, because this story is not done yet. Meantime, while we're waiting for a larger reaction, we could take a look at some patterns that now are forming and maybe take some scalp trades. So first of all, what's really important, guys, here is that take a look. Actually, gold market strongly oversold on the daily chart. So that's the oscillator predictor by the Judd Knuckle that shows normal level of oversold. In the normal conditions, you can see market shows very good reaction on reaching of the band. So you can see oversold, upper direction oversold, bounce again, and every time when the market shows reaches the oversold level, it shows minor bounce. But here, as you can see, it's deep oversold. What we could get by this action. So take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. And here I think that we have very good setup for the Judd Knuckle brand body sell. So we have thrust down, market that oversold, first upward reaction after the solid drop. And here we have confidence resistance 11.90, 11.82, 11.84 combination of the fib levels. When the market will hit it, this will be a good opportunity to take the short position. The target will be 618 support of this whole upward direction. So approximately it will be somewhere around 11.68. This will be the target. As well, $20 per contract, not really small action for intraday trade. That's the setup that we could keep an eye on today while we're waiting for some large scale reaction. You will take a look at the 50-minute chart. Here we have minor ABCD pattern that has the OP target. This means AB equals CD target. It's 11.8386. That corresponds to that area. That's the level that we could keep an eye on. It's also the agreement. Although, guys, I'm not excluding the moment that it could become some kind of, I don't know, maybe it will be not this shape of the ABCD, but it could become some kind of this kind of the ABCD, maybe. Or something of that sort, but not necessary. Maybe market will continue action right to the OP here. Anyway, it's not bad setup on the 4-hour time frame chart that's worth our attention. It will be some kind of the easy money. So it's scalp trade, not really big potential, but it's rather fast, and it's and gives a very nice probability of success. So that I think that we could focus today on this trade, and just wait and see what will happen, what major reaction market will show on the yearly pivot support one in perspective of a couple of weeks. So probably it should be clear.